Hello friends! Welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today, we're going to talk about the most incredible part of our body, the brain. As you all know, the brain is inside our head, and it is the organ in charge of controlling and regulating everything that our body does. Our brain is always active, even when we sleep. And it keeps us alive as it controls our heartbeats and our breathing. As you can see in the images, it is divided into three parts: the brainstem, the cerebellum, and the brain itself. The brainstem is at the base of the brain. It connects the brain with the rest of the body through the spinal cord. It controls vital functions such as heart rates, digestion, and breathing. The cerebellum is responsible for maintaining balance and directing the movement of our entire body, and it ensures that the movements are carried out in a coordinated and accurate manner. The brain is the boss of our body. It is responsible for receiving signals and returning them as responses. For example, if we feel that something is very hot and can cause damage, the brain very quickly orders our muscles to withdraw the hand and avoid any burning. The brain is divided into two parts, called the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. These two hemispheres are connected to each other through a structure called corpus callosum, allowing information to pass from one hemisphere to another. The left hemisphere is dominant in most people and is responsible for the most logical aspects of thinking, such as math, speaking, or writing skills. The right hemisphere is responsible for most of our creative thoughts, such as our imagination, music or paintings, and also the most emotional or intuitive reactions, such as fear and joy. As you can see, the brain controls and regulates most of the vital functions of our body, but also our thoughts, our memory, and our emotions. But there is one very important thing that I have not told you about our brain, and that is, the more we use it, the better it works. So, everyone has to go read and learn. Goodbye, friends! And do not forget to subscribe to Happy Learning TV.